guys, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'll be sharing another installment of our one product wash and go series, and in today's video I'm going to be doing my one product wash and go using, drum roll please, the Design Essentials Natural Defining Creme Gel. So I am super excited to see how this wash and go turns out, because I have been waiting very patiently to pick up this product and actually use it. But before we get into that, I do want to remind you guys to remember to subscribe to my channel, especially if you are enjoying this one product wash and go series. I think they're very interesting to see and helpful if you are looking to limit your styling products to one product. So if you are interested in that and other type of curly related videos, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, so guys, moving in to the actual wash and go tutorial slash routine. So what you are looking at right now is my hair with this product already in it, and I am about to start the air drying and or diffusing process. I'm not sure if I'm gonna let it air dry 100% or turn on the diffuser and diffuse it. But nonetheless, I did want to share this process with you guys. So if you are interested in seeing all of that, then keep on watching. Like a I first started off by shampooing and conditioning my hair, and these are the two products that I use to do that: the Kukui Nut and Grapeseed Oils Damage Rehab Shampoo and Conditioner by Shea Moisture. So I simply washed my hair with the shampoo. I put the conditioner in and left it in as a deep conditioner while I finished my shower. And then I went straight into applying the product. So my initial first thoughts of the product is, number one, the smell. It smells exactly like cake batter, like to the T. If you want to know what this smells like and you don't have it, it is, go smell some cake batter before you bake it. That is what this smells like, cake batter. And it even looks like cake batter. It has this very thick jelly-like consistency, being that it is a cream and a gel in one. The consistency really matches the description of the product. Alright, so I've never used Design Essentials before. This is my very first time using anything from this line, and I have to say that first, for this product, it is a bit pricey. However, I can understand the price because it kind of serves like two products, right? As a cream as well as a gel. So I picked this up from Sally's, and the price of it was $18 and some change. I did have a coupon, and I ended up paying about $14 and change for it, which isn't bad considering it will style my entire hair. I don't have to use a leave-in, I don't have to use a gel, I don't have to use a cream. All I need to use is this. So I'm not really that mad at the price. And the other thing I like about this product is that it's silicone-free, paraben-free, paraffin-free, petroleum-free, and mineral oil-free. So that is some good stuff right there. Because the product is super, super thick, as I'm applying this product to my hair, I'm feeling like it's going to give me great hold. So the hold feels awesome, but it feels a bit thick and heavy on my hair, so I'm really hoping it doesn't weigh my hair down. I'm hoping I'm not using too much of the product, but we won't know that until the hair dries. So now that my hair has been styled with the product, I am patiently waiting to see how it turns out. That is it. The product has been applied. So let's see how this goes.
We spend cash for entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we make it.
Alright guys, so I'm back with the final results. A little bit of mixed emotions with this one. Let me just remind you guys before I go any further what this product promises to deliver. The description of this product is that it's Design Essentials Natural Defining Cream Gel is a creamy, lightweight gel enhanced with olive, jojoba, and avocado oil that defines and separates curls, controls frizz, provides a lasting hold, and immense shine. All great things that we of course want with our styling products. So first off, the curls look really nice and defined. That's good. A couple of things I don't like about the end result are, first, remember when I was applying the product, I kept saying how I felt like it was super thick and weighing down my hair. Well, my hair feels nice and light. It's not too crunchy. It's super soft and defined, which is great. But every time I touch my hair, I can feel the product on my hand, which is something I don't really appreciate when I apply styling products to my hair. So that's definitely a no-no there. The other thing is it's not as shiny as I would have liked it to be, and immense shine. Immense shine. So after this, I am gonna go and spray some oil on it to see if that will help. The product itself on its own does not leave the curls shiny once it's dry, so keep that in mind. I'm just gonna wear the hair throughout the week and see how it goes. So I will try and make this wash and go last a whole week, and we'll refresh it each morning using the product and see how it goes. I wouldn't say it's the best, I wouldn't say it's the worst. And would I use this product again? Probably, just won't be one of my favorites, unfortunately. So an update, I actually ended up washing this product out. After just 2 days, I just couldn't take it anymore and had to wash it out. I also returned the product back to Sally's. Yes, the first time ever that I've returned a product. I just couldn't live with keeping that big, huge tub and probably just never use it ever again. Alright guys, so that's it. That's all I had for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Like a Jhene.